the key thing, which is what computer science really doesn't get it. They don't understand. They don't understand the idea of KPIs. Have you heard of the concept KPI? KRA? What does that mean? Key result area. What does KPI stand for? Key performance indicators, right? That's a very business concept. Well, what is it? So the computer science people just say, I can do it fast, but I don't know how you measure, what you want to measure. So this is where the KPI should be reflected here. So a salesperson is looking at year-to-date sales, quarter-to-date sales, and sales by which country in my region, and the new business sales, and by industry, or my top few industries, or something like opportunities. A VP of production will be looking at how much we produce so far, how much I'm producing today, how much am I producing of various product types, what are my key suppliers, how much are my key suppliers producing, what are the key issues coming up, right? So key performance indicators will be different. So this it's called a dashboard. These dashboards are connected in real time with big data or data analysis at the back end, so they can constantly update the numbers. And they are typically also interactive, so you can click on any of the graph and it will show you the detailed spreadsheet or more detailed granular analysis. This is a part of making data accessible, the insights accessible to executives. If you just produce a whole bunch of stuff, they don't fully understand. They want to see is it red or green, right? Like you in your car, you don't particularly care about how much the temperature is, so long as it's within the safe range, isn't it? So like that. So this is a big thing. This is a very, very important area, and Accenture has predicted that around this time, or this year or next year, 3-4 years ago, they predicted visualization is a very, very hot area. Now let me make this real for you with a simple example. All that I showed you the old data processing chain, and this is an example from the book. So let's say this is your transaction data. Okay. Suppose you are your online company selling movies, and you sold, the first transaction was in April 2013. You sold a movie called Monty Python. You sold it to the customer in US, and you got $9 for it. Or you can put like for Bombay, Delhi, whatever, 500 rupees, etc. And then second transaction was May 2013, Gone with the Wind, sold in US, you sold it for $15. Like that, you have a transaction base. Fair enough? That's your database. You organize around, there's a date field, there is a time field, the date field which is time, and there is a location field, the product field, and money field, right? Like that. So this is organized data, which is typically a database. Now what do you do with it? You want to analyze. So you analyze it by creating what is called a data warehouse. Do a certain amount of pre-processing. What have we done here? We have produced, we said for every product, for every quarter, we try to see what is the total revenue. So for quarter 2, for this movie, total sales was $15 only. For let's say quarter 2, for Monty Python, total sales was $30. What have we done? Summarize at the level of quarter. Means quarter is like 3 months, January, February, March, like that, together. So now what have we done? It's fairly standardized. Yeah. So at the level of quarter, each movie, this total. I'm not looking at individual sales. If there's one sales of $50 or 5 sales of $10 each, it's the same here. It shows us $50 sales during the quarter. So I'm removing some of the details here so that I can get some insights more easily. So this is called the data warehouse. Next stage is mining. Mining is done by certain techniques. Because of the small data set, I could just do simple cross tabulation. I could cross tabulate on one dimension products, another dimension the quarters, and I could say what is the total revenue by each quarter. So this is simple analysis. From this simple analysis, you can see certain things, right? Which is the highest selling product, which is the highest selling quarter, but you can answer some exception questions also. What else is going on here? So we find something like seasonal item. Particular movie sells only in one quarter, right? Which means next time I should stock it up only on this particular quarter. I don't want to carry stock for that item. So that kind of insight can help a business make effective decisions. So you need to know how to cross-tabulate or how to analyze the data to find such kind of insights. Okay, so this kind of completes an overview of the entire chain of data to this and this.